people think that 83 was the resurgence or was the starting point of Indian cricket, but they're so wrong.
No.
In 71, we beat England in England, we beat West Indies in the West Indies, we beat Australia.
Yeah.
In
Agreed.
Australia, we beat every country.
Agreed.
So, I mean, why go to 83? People have very short memories.
I would
unfortunately,
interrupt you again. I think it is 67, 68 tour of New Zealand, where you beat New Zealand
yeah, we
3-1.
beat New Zealand, of course.
And
yeah.
with your spinners,
Yes.
Nadkarni, Bishan
Yes,
Bedi,
yes, Bapu.
doing well. I think that,
we had a
that
great,
should have.
We had a great close-in fielder called Eknath Solkar, who I must give a mention to, because the spinning quartet would have been nothing without Eknath Solkar, and I'd like to think maybe and the wickets, because we were the two that strengthened the bowling.